Working on a 2017 Honda CR-V with a 1.5 liter engine. What does that say? Earth Dreams. Customer was complaining of a strange noise in the rear. When you go over bumps, made a lot of noise. I test drove it and it was coming from the rear. Actually, what it sounded like at the very beginning was the heat shield that goes around like a catalytic converter. But I took the wheel off. I was in here checking everything, checking the bolts for the caliper. Those are both in there. Checking the links. I actually had my tiny pry bar out and I was prying. I was moving around the bushings on the arms. Nothing was happening there. Grabbed the shock. Nothing was happening there. Kept looking, and let me see if I can find my flashlight. So way back there, there's your sway bar, and there's the link. It goes to the lower control arm. It sits right there, okay? And reach back there, and sorry for the poor lighting, but you reach back there, and there's no nut. I can actually grab it and move it around. It shouldn't be like that. Let me show you what the other side looks like. So the driver's side is right there. You can see the stud sticking out with a nut on it. And that's what it should look like. All right. So for whatever reason, on the passenger side, it sheared that link off. Okay, back on the passenger side, and for whatever reason, it sheared that link off. All right. So not very hard to replace this thing. You have a 14mm bolt right there. That keeps it in place, which goes onto a nut that's welded in there. So that makes it nice and easy. And it would just pop out. So I actually ordered the new one on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. But this is a 2017 with I think about 40 or 50,000 miles. So if this happened to this customers, I'm sure it's happening a lot out there. So I'll put this up for you guys, and you guys can save some money. So if this has helped you out, please subscribe to Bundys Garage, and I will talk to you guys later. This was not hard at all to get out. Just one 12mm bolt holds it in. You can see right there you can see it's sheared off, not attached to the sway bar anymore. So I'll put a link down in the description below. You guys can pick this up. Very easy fix. The Honda dealership wanted $120 for this part right here.